Percy Bysshe Shelley, one of the most famous poets of the English Romantic Age. He was born on 4 August 1792 in England. From childhood, Shelley was imaginative and rebellious. While studying at Oxford University, he wrote The Necessity of Atheism in 1811. Because of this bold work, he was expelled from the university. His life was full of family troubles, poor health, and opposition from society because of his atheism, political ideas, and unconventional lifestyle. In 1818, he left England and went into permanent exile in Italy. In Italy, he wrote his finest poetry in just 4 years. His wife was Mary Shelley, the famous author of Frankenstein. Tragically, he died in a boating accident in 1822 at the age of 29. Now let's discuss major works of Shelley. Shelley wrote poetry, plays, and essays. His most famous works are Ozymandias in 1818, a sonnet about the fall of power and empires. Ode to the West Wind in 1819, about nature as a symbol of inspiration and revolution. To a Skylark in 1820, about the pure joy of a bird compared to human sorrow. Adonais in 1821, an elegy for the poet John Keats. The Mask of Anarchy, 1819, a political poem against injustice and tyranny. Prometheus Unbound, 1820, a lyrical drama celebrating human freedom. He also wrote essays like The Necessity of Atheism and prose work on politics and society. During his lifetime, Shelley was not fully appreciated, but later his works inspired many great minds like Karl Marx, Mahatma Gandhi, and George Bernard Shaw. Critics today admire him for his powerful imagery, deep ideas, and lyrical beauty. Shelley was a rebel poet of Romantic age who fought with words against tyranny, religion, and social injustice. Though he died young, his work live forever.